Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Substack app on a device. Now if you want to download the Substack app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to download the Substack app on a device, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So if you are not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to install it on a device. So after that you need to open App Store on a device, and if you are using Android, then you simply open Play Store. So this is the home page of App Store, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you need to click on the option of search, which is at the very bottom right, and here you may click on the search box and search Substack. So after searching Substack, here you'll see various options on it. So you need to click on the option or the logo of Substack, and here you'll see the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. So if you click on the option of Get, a pop-up will appear saying install it. So if you are installing it for the first time on iPhone, then you need to double press on the power button. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to install the Substack app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.